Considering tinting your van windows? Do it. Why did we wait?
I'm Ray, and you're watching the Corn Dog Caravan channel. My wife Chris and I decided there's more to life than working and doing house projects. So we sold everything we own, built out a Ram ProMaster we call Lotus because others think it's stupid, and are traveling full-time seeing friends, family, and exploring the beautiful country around us, along with our 2 Boston Terriers.
Let me start by saying this is not a paid endorsement and we get no kickbacks from this video. After spending a lot of time in the van at 10,000 feet in elevation in Colorado last summer and traveling in the South, we knew it was time to have our van windshield and doors tinted. After extensive research, we decided on an advanced material made by 3M called Crystalline. As they say, block UV rays, not envy. And wow, does this tint work. We selected Crystalline 70 for the windshield, and we really don't notice the visible light reduction, but with 97% infrared rejection and 55% of total solar rejection, we immediately felt the difference. The doors were covered with Crystalline 40, which allow 33% of visible light, but blocks 99.9% of the ultraviolet light, 99% of infrared, and 62% total solar energy is blocked. While driving, it blocks harmful rays from damaging the skin of my arms, neck, and face. The dash is practically room temp and allows us to run the air conditioner less, and it helps reduce the temperature in the van while parked. As an added benefit, we also have a lot more privacy. For the install, I selected Advanced Window Tinting out of Jacksonville, Florida. I met with the owner, Richard Tillman, when arriving at the shop, and he gave me permission to film inside and asked my installer a lot of questions. The door entry was well above the height of our van, even with solar and our cell booster. Renee, Richard's wife, was super helpful with setting up our appointment and giving awesome customer service. I highly recommend the shop, and I'm pleased beyond belief after having the tint now for almost 1 year. It's reduced the heat, glare, and provides more privacy. We hope you enjoy the video. Please see the description for details on advanced window tinting and 3M product options. And last, please check with your state's law on windshield tinting and the levels of tint to avoid a visit from the law.
Dot matrix on the back glass.
If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know if it was helpful. Also, please comment below if you have any questions about the van build or suggestions about the future content as we build out this channel. Follow us along our journey on Facebook or Instagram using Corndog Caravan. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and tell your friends about our channel.